So, you're about to be connected to Community Fibre? Great choice! Here's what to expect on installation day. Our engineers will be in touch about 90 minutes before their arrival. When they get there, they'll talk you through the whole process and get to work, running a cable from the street, and where needed, they'll install a small external box on the outside wall. Once inside, they'll talk through the best router location with you and create a pencil-sized hole for the fibre cable to go through. They'll put the connection box over the hole, then they'll set up your router and you're ready to go. Time for some tests. Our engineers will check your connection is working and your internet speed is out of this world. Help you set up a couple of your favourite devices and test the speed at a few key points around your home. Once the speed check's done, they'll tidy up, guide you through everything you need to know, answer any questions and make sure you're completely happy with your new service before they leave. That's it! You're live! And free to enjoy London's fastest and most reliable broadband, Community Fibre.